Folks, last week was a huge week for the stock market. Do you know why? Because the stock market made new highs. That's right, new highs. So, how do we trade it? How do we take advantage of it? What sector do we look at? What stocks do we look at? There's so much to talk about it. Let's do it now. Before we continue, I want to make sure you know about the free live training that I'm hosting for you. Thursday, July 11th at noon Eastern. I'll walk you through step by step through what's happening in the markets and our plans to grab potential profits from these historic moves. Don't miss out. Tap the button at the bottom of this page to register for this important training. It could be a total game changer for you. All right, stock market made new highs. How do we deal with it? How do we trade it? How do we take advantage of it? Well, every time the stock market makes new highs, it's a different scenario. You have to figure out which stocks are leading, which stocks are causing the market to make new highs. And this time, it's actually utilities. And utilities is a defensive sector, all right? Furthermore, small caps are still at the 200-day moving average. They haven't budged. And volatility, VIX, it's above 15. So there's a lot of warning signs right now. And that's telling me it's time to be very careful. Why? We have China still not resolved. We have Trump making a lot of decisions that are affecting pharmaceutical companies in the USA. And more importantly, Apple just got downgraded, okay? So there's a lot of factors involved. I wouldn't be jumping into speculative stocks just yet. I would be a little cautious and I would trade slightly more defensive stocks or stocks that don't have a lot of cross correlation with China. When we get through this little part, this little bubble, we're going to be screaming and making new highs. But in the next few sessions, it's best to just hold off and wait and be slightly more defensive. Hopes that helps. Did you register yet for tomorrow's live training event? Do it now. I'm not charging a cent for this one, so be sure to take advantage of this opportunity. I'll share a secret that few traders know, and if you'd invested just $10,000 with this information back in 2010, you'd be sitting on $3,755,470. That's a stunning 100% average annual return. So let's do this. Click the button at the bottom of this page to reserve your free spot now. I want to see you there. Don't procrastinate. Make this decision in your life. Do it now.